In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email flow with Klaviyo for beginners. This process is straightforward and will help you set up automated emails to streamline communication with your subscribers. Whether you're starting from scratch or tweaking existing setups, these instructions will guide you every step of the way. First, you'll want to locate the Flows section. You'll find this on the left-hand panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. Clicking on Flows takes you to the heart of your email automation setup, where you can manage and create all of your email flows. The layout is user-friendly, designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. Once you're in the Flows section, the next step is to initiate the creation of a new email flow. For this, look for the Create Flow button. When you click on this, you're presented with options. Klaviyo offers template flows that cater to common scenarios, but don't feel limited. There's also the option to build your own, which you'll find at the top right. For this demonstration, I'll choose the Build Your Own option. This allows us more flexibility in customizing our email flow exactly how we want. With the choice made to build your own, the next component to establish is the flow structure, starting with a trigger. The trigger is essential as it determines when the flow should activate. When you click on the trigger card, a panel appears on the right, offering a variety of trigger options to fit different needs and circumstances. This is an important decision. Once you select and save a trigger, it cannot be changed later. Therefore, ensure you carefully choose the right trigger that aligns with your goals for the flow. After setting the trigger, you'll progress to adding actions that will be executed once the trigger is activated. This part of the process is interactive and intuitive. You can simply drag and drop various elements such as actions, timings, and logic from the left panel onto the flow field. This is where you get creative, customizing the paths and events that follow your trigger. These actions will define the personalized journey your subscribers will experience. Finally, focus on personalizing the flow according to your objectives. You have the flexibility to craft a sequence that not only meets the needs of your audience, but also aligns with your brand voice and messaging strategy. Take your time to refine this process, ensuring it's effective and engaging for your audience. And that's all there is to it. With these tools and steps, you've set up your very first email flow using Klaviyo. You've learned to navigate the interface, choose triggers, and create action paths, all crucial steps in automating your email communications. Remember, practice and experimentation will hone your skills further, helping you optimize your email marketing efforts.